I'm taking the MSF course in 2 days. I'm so nervous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of me trying to learn how to ride a motorcycle, and I will be practicing things that will prepare me for the MSF course. I've waited so long to take this class. I've been very proud of my progress, but I know there's still a lot for me to learn, and I'm excited about that. I decided today was going to be me practicing some things that I either have yet to practice or things that I want to practice more so that I'm prepared for the MSF course. And if any of you guys don't know what that is, because I know there are some people that are also beginners or people that are interested in learning, the MSF course is the motorcycle safety course, and it's highly recommended that you take that. In some states, it's actually required that you take it. In other states, it's not. You can just get your license through the DMV. For me, it's not required that I take this. I could just go to the DMV, get my license, but I wanted to take this class. So I've been doing a lot of research on what's going to be tested and what I'm going to be learning. I know for a fact they're going to be doing starting and stopping, learning the friction zone, swerving out of the way of something, doing turns at high speeds, shifting gears, figure eights, things like that. So I wanted to practice things that I feel like I struggled with or have been struggling with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I changed the way that I shot this footage. I have a 360 camera that I mounted onto my motorcycle. So I hope you guys enjoy this new angle. We'll just see. Okay, turning your head does make a difference. Wow, my balance is much better when I'm turning my head and looking through the turns. That was very helpful. I'm glad that I was able to practice that. I had to go fill this up with gas. Thankfully, the gas station is super close. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm super excited for the MSF course and I cannot wait to show you guys. I hope to document some of it. So in my next video, it'll probably be footage from at least the first 2 days. And then hopefully I'll make a video of me passing it. I also want to mention, thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I cannot believe how fast this channel has been growing recently since I posted that first motorcycle video like a month or a little over a month ago. I am just super happy and thankful thankful that a lot of you guys are interested in this journey and find my information valuable or entertaining at the very least. I want to thank you guys so much. See you in the next one.